How to fix apps won't open on Android. So if you want to fix apps not opening or crashing or not working on your Android device, then you will have some steps. You need to follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is you need to update. So if, for example, a specific app is not opening, in my case, if the Facebook application is not opening, then what you need to do is you need to first check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store, go for the search for Facebook, and then search if you have an update or not. And if you have an update instead of this open, then you need to simply go for the update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to remove that and you need to check your storage. So open up your settings and check your storage on your device. So scroll down and then go for RAM and storage space, and here you will have your storage, right? So if you have your storage full, like more than 80 or 90%, then you will have that kind of problem. So what you need to do is simply go for manage storage, and then you can remove some storage from your device and your problem will be fixed. And once you've done that, now the third thing you need to do is you need to update your system. So scroll down and then you can simply go for the system, and under system you may have the system updates. But if you don't find that update, you need to go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then search for system update. You can go for that, and then here you will have your system. So go for the software information and you may have an update option right here. You can update your Android security system or your Google Play system and your Android system if you have an update. So once you update it, your problem might be fixed, and after updating you need to reset or restart your device. So remove that and then you can hold on to that power button and then restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix apps won't open on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.